Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Boom Beach account. To log out of Boom Beach, first of all, open up the Boom Beach app on your device, and once you're in this screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button on the left-hand side menu. This will open up the settings interface. Tap on the on button right under Supercell IT. Now tap on the gear button on the left-hand corner and then scroll down and tap on Logout. Click on Logout once again. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of Boom Beach. But if you want to avoid losing your progress, make sure your game is connected to Supercell ID. That is how you easily log out of Boom Beach in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.